bird feet. You see me I say, K go over Cavi me people, cause you know say Cavi and Mackerel did in a so rare, right? So K bust it up on Mackerel, then go over Cavi, people, is a bag of things. You know what I mean? Everybody a pick side, I know Ivany at this Shay to leave K alone. Some people may not chat too much, you know. I night we are go right now, you know. We could get the night and kick it off, you know, people.
Mildew, blood clot face. My girl, I walk with mildew on face. All long time Alex buckle. Even if can cockroach retail drunker. Oh, the blood clot, Lord, Lord. Tell me the people I get the confused. I want to make sure K go food enough to answer. That's not sense, you know. No, no sense. I feel she have to answer you. I see if K have to answer because she not understand so everybody should walk and get highlight. Everybody can walk and get highlight. And that's why I'm have to run him more while, you know. Yeah, the people they say answer already. See that everybody in walk and in get. You can't see one girl come for you and just know say have views is a girl you look angry boy business. And yet let me tell you why I can't like shame. After you know when I walk and get trouble, I wish I me first trouble you. I not hide and get trouble. I'm not afraid to say I me first trouble somebody. Yes,
play a victim, man. Play a victim, man.
I tell you what she do. She not gonna click her life for you first, you know. She will see all one little clip a screen recording with you. And she under the comments, nigga gonna drop shit under the comments with the post we have to do with you. And then you gonna click your live now. And you start cuss. So when you click your live, she make the people there feel like you first click live here and then she click for your live. So the people that wanna know say she did comment something, I say you first. She do it with me enough time, that's why I look my shit again, because I'm a clutch yourself.
But to keep
I'm fucking at them bottom. A pussy.
Right now, I'm not lie. Me and him did good, me da good. When me and him and a fire do line, bro. I one day me just you say they over there, cause me don't know me do this woman. Me and this woman I never have a argument yet, and I don't know what it come out with me. And take you up on her head.
Shay, woman, bush pussy clip reach on and body could have back shot pan it fuck himself. Cause when she apparently just she a suck pussy. When you suck pussy, you come so. When you suck you come so. And the rate of Mrs. Shay, I saw she a go for pussy. And down in her throat back, a bush front clip reach. And then love tell people about front. Leave black clan alone. I mean, I come to you so good, girl. Come here, your file, you know.
Bro, if I'm not understand up, me love Vany side of my youth. Bro, it's the Vany dog.
After Vany cannot came.
My class certificate tonight.
Bro.
Low make sure.
Vany who for this, brother?
Come on.
They want to Vany a biscuit, dog. Vany who for this bad man? Who fuck up, shall tell us you fuck up bad man. Shall tell us you fuck up if you fuck up bad man. Believe me.
Could weird, come here. Onella, come here. Last time me hear she tell 6 say. Onella! Come here now, Onella! Last time me hear she tell 6 say. Remember some strip in front of where you see me naked. And you tell me say, hey girl, go put on your clothes. Last time I see one screen card, she said, we doing a chat like me I tell. Last night she said, but say 6 member you see me naked. Fully. And I'm just say 6 to twice. Go and put on your clothes. A girl go put on a towel. And she said, so when Mackerel say, it makes sense.
It make whole heap of sense.
One thing,
come here. One thing. You see, I they might not straight. But you see the brain was have you so anything you tell her she remember back. She now be sit. So try no say. If you tell her no, but I feel like say you can't come bring her down cause she ball out that blood clot. Cause she not oh you know. And let me tell you something. She don't forget nothing. So you see, you not live good or not live good. But if you do her wrong, she gonna burn back your blood class.
And then Simone, then she say, me don't know why the 6 body kind body never stand up for me or something like so she say. See,
like,
you want fuck you?
Say, you know I prove a point on a friend them when she got America in like in a prove a point on world again. That's instead twice they want to fuck her.
Mighty God.
All the brother and the sister them when they over here a plan. Then they on the media make them see them are fuckies.
Yeah man, them a look them walk with them pussy pan them forward, you know. And them name. Hey girl stop dirty up Jamaica. Hey girl stop dirty up Jamaica. Yeah, walk with them pussy pan your forward. Yeah, walk with them pussy pan your forward. Hey girl stop dirty up Jamaica. Hey girl stop dirty up Jamaica. Yeah, walk with them girl here man. Yeah man, and them girl that man. You don't put nothing past them, you know. Yeah man.
Good girl.
Everybody
tell
Raja, you know the gift when you're Gabriela.
Yeah.
Alright. The gift when you Gabriela was such woman moderator. Such man did a run in a Gabriela DM. And she takes Gabriela and I ask Gabriela, boy, why you want my man? I want my man to look here. And Gabriela just said, I received I learn when I look me and she ate Gabriela and that's what she did eat such woman. You know
she can't eat Gabriela. She ate the girl because the girl them never go out of them. Why you eat the girl and the girl them never go out of them? If you look your man come look the girl them that means the girl them a keep. Him say something in the girl them where them don't see now.
Yeah.
But Roger, the girl them not war no loyalty. That me just
no, not at all.
To Onela. Me tell Onela, nobody not want no girl no loyalty. If a girl take your man, go deal with it with your man.
Mama tell her why she ate the girl.
Team King, hold on Mackerel. The people them come tell me say over your live. A class and I say.
Some people, me I go make them do the most of the talking, you know. I want to tell more the thinking in the comment section because they don't hear nothing yet.
1K and oh me a hypocrite, my dear. Me never hear me just a tell you. Me never tell you what them say. Me never hear for myself, so you know me never go really roll with what them say. You don't know.
A dirty batty boy that Mackerel.
Remember when he buy up me a K argument and that's my answer. I mean like
a dirty batty boy that. Now pay that no mind Mackerel attention.
Mama tell her shame. Mama tell her what the girl want you do. The girl want your class Shana. Why she come for a year 11 a year back to you and she class Shana and you if go ahead and class Shana. She and Jamilia and Shan and the whole of them group up in a WhatsApp call before she just come class or so. Now tell her strategy. If one of them say I got it about your first, the Shay. Before she comes out, if the girl want to feel like my aunt for them, my aunt.
Nobody swallow pan pretty blessed to look pan.
Pretty blessed to let me have things in me. Bring me down here. I tell her how it goes. She a long time they never like you. Yeah? Yeah.
Shay, them not like no girl where them can't program. Them like the girl them where them can't program and tell this and tell that. Them not like no girl where them can't program. You hear? Because them girl come like sad dirty storybook. Me not like them man.
That's why they knew want me eat Rvsh Shay. But I don't say I want baby father upon the app.
Them by run them girl running at everybody, you know. And so I name them girl they come over here and look at fame. That's why you see everybody them running now. Yeah man.
Also Shane. So Mackerel Shay and her friend them go on phone girl go talk discuss
before them class yeah. So before them class it call keep first. Coming to understand all Gabriela, right Raja? You see Gabriela was Kavi's top shooter. Gabriela was Kavi's top blood clot shooter and
light skin Gab? You talking about light skin Gabriela? Like the light skin?
No, she ain't Gabriela. No, no, life the panel. Yeah, Kavi no say Gabriela, the man did look Gabriela. And she never tell her friend.
The man a friend.
But she said last night she only friend she have one in Cafe.
Okay.
And that she say no. And the last time she didn't tell me for the
well, my best is them for read.
Mackerel no wicked than your mama.
Remind the girl in my high school. What else?
Mackerel no wicked than your mama.
What else? What say? Blah blah blah. I'm not so so good.
That's what we talk now. That's what last time we hear no only last she said, oh, Kavi is my only friend. But then again, she never want a friend from Kavi because when she and Vanya cause Kavi never pick up fear. So oh, I Kavi your only friend now.
Mackerel them say them things that when them want the girl them back it and them want girl in them. Cause remember them a look a significant, you know. Them guess oh Shay can't say she a one lone soldier and stand up by herself and fight at some girl and not give a fuck. Them girl they have to look a significant for war girl.
That's why when me and them a coach. That's why when me and them a coach. Right, you know today at Jamaica. Shine, this everybody had on a WhatsApp call. I know on a strategy, I know on a program.
Them not bad by them own, them not hot by them own, them not do nothing by them own, them is a set a rotten enable. Yeah.
Yeah, that's how they put that. And Roger, because I know how they operate, that's how they have my business. Coming out how they steer.
But man, suppose you did tell her you gonna get back a good eye. She a come back with her.
I don't know what I'm laugh.
Guys, double tap chat, please. I don't
You are the same. Alright.
Mackerel nail Jesus on the cross and your mama suck him wood when him up there.
We're all the same. But may I tell you something? You see, if we are all the same, I'm going to tell you the difference is. Me not chat people when me like. You see, if we all the same, I'm not going to crush out over one boy with
This flavor!
You hear? You see, if we are all the
Love
same,
this flavor.
a boy lift up from around me, I'm going to elevate. Make it make sense.
Yeah, Mackerel, cause bad as thing, you know, when them say the boy left you from negative to positive, you never go down the hill, you know. You grow, you build all house.
And I'm going to stop travel.
And the things like them, and you just a travel, so.
Pure stamp.
And all big
So,
foreign too, you know.
We all the same. Oh, we all the same. My like Shay. And I love ask Roger if nobody else. Somebody can ask Roger. Call somebody no. Tell them to chat them with Roger. Call them no. Show me a girl no. But show me set. Me chat them with Roger.
I want to say Mackerel have a problem with me. She more vexed with me. Going on her feelings, and then when me and her talk, we talk, but we now come cuss one of them.
Me not chat nobody with Roger.
I do something one time and she never really like it. She feel away. She get in her feelings and when we cool down, we come back round. But even when we never really a chat up, we now bring down one another behind one another.
Me not bring him down. I'm not chat nobody with him. Me not even chat bring him. Me not say bring him Roger close. Me not chat. Me just take him out to bring him. Like I just said. So whenever I tell him, I'm a left it. That's all. Me not go down and DJ say, when I take out England, look for him.
Yeah, I don't look for it too because I don't like say people are idiot. The people them do wickedness to people do wickedness to them. Only dirty people over here. One the people them sit down and some bitch and some so-called boy come bring them down and talk things about them and them for blood clot sit down and take it like them are idiot. And then when the people them retaliate and talk about me no want a friend from Uno because I saw that Uno tell me a blood clot business then no and come do me something and see if I not gonna let out it blood clot like 8 bus. Not tell me nothing a blood clot because trying to if you ever tell me nothing and diss me you're trying to make something for bring it down. Can't have a blood clot diss me. I got rinse it like a matic.
That means
I realize with them, they never see like the trigger.
That means I'm never gonna stop telling Roger I'm a blood clot. This is dangerous.
No, you can't tell me. I know why. I know you're not bring me down and disrespect me. Respect go ahead come from. Respect go ahead come from. Me know you never got this me, so you know me never got this you. Because the only way me can this you Shay unless you this blood clot me. And that won't pussy clot at me.
Me not tell you like Roger, me tell you something. Shay give me a Roger, we not biased. They are not in front of me, I can go chat up our water. But thing Shay give you different.
Come and lick out Roger bottom. Come and lick out him bottom like a dirty lady.
She give you a different, no matter how much you say she give you a different. Me can't hear Shay.
Yeah, me have to speak for myself. Me can't speak for nobody. She show me love and the energy when she show me even like it and it genuine to me. Me can't talk about Uno. She probably deal with Uno sucker before when Uno come she didn't know now wicked from day one. Me a lie. Because if me know you're wicked from day one, you know.
She give me a never know, she give me a different vibes. No matter how much money no pay, no carry me a car.
The dishwasher, I look at last drinking cup. It's up.
Suck your mother. But suck mother and get bacteria. Suck your mother and your father.
Yeah. Me I feel like Shay no give me no I'm a big part energy. If you're hypocrite against me, I don't know. Me not accept. Me will play around, but me know.
Come here. Roger, you know say them are the biggest hypocrite. You see when them did a class, Shana, she sit down and listen, you know. She sit down and listen.
I say could have fish in our ear. Cause she and Shana cool.
But when she a review his song, no, all of a sudden she a hypocrite. And that me can't understand.
Yeah, I saw them stay. Me not tell you say Mackerel. When the blood clot coffee girl did a class, me she sit down there and she listen. And when your class or me sit down and listen, the girl come tell me say me so cool.
What's up, your man?
I little clip bigger than touch ground and pick up gravel.
But me, I see him so with Jenna. I me talk about Rvsh argument. I'm say about Jenna this and Jenna nice and whatever. Them say, me I like your friend. Jamila say, me I like your friend. Them say, what the fuck? What did Jenna do? Jenna don't know how I
like Jamila advice, it's too coarse.
Yeah, Jamila. Every time when someone here, ask Jamila everything.
Everybody knows so. You know me no business, you know. You know so once them diss me no like them. Anywhere the crowd they bring them down, I can drag on pan them tail.
Yeah, I
think them have go down. Anybody blood clot this me not worry. Shay stop do that. Make it strip by itself. Don't irritate it. Make it come out. Because you go pretty when it come out.
You know when the Stington was saying when the stuff was being said about Shauna, you know I felt bad listening to it because it was so bad. I didn't.
What did say about Shauna?
No, but only like Shauna was on my live when everything did I say about her. Because when I'm going on my views, I see Shauna up there.
And you know what I was telling Mackerel Raja? I don't like the fact that they act like Shauna is the bottom of the barrel, which I don't like.
Yeah, and then the thing you know, Shauna look better than enough of them.
It's not even
Shauna look better than enough.
Alright my people, let me know what you think in the comment section. As me say, me I make them do most of the talking, so let me know what you think. We can watch some more.
For them, and I have to me I tell you Shauna pussy fat.
Alright, but tell you come here. Raja, come here, let me tell you something. Because my man left me for an interstellar baby kid, my baby father.
Yeah.
And Shauna fuck Gulliver. Them people they can use it against you. But they don't take Shay fuck Pen, Shay fuck man a Trelawney, Shay fuck man a Magical Bee, and Shay a Gulliver marriage whenever successful. Not Shay, but my God. K.
Guys, double tap, please.
Keep just fuck man a mobile too. We in a one lane when name look lane. When name Shay, hide my identity.
I did one man down a bottom road.
Bottom road. ID.
So put me tell you no say she say our man no triple. Oh, triple used to walk on. Triple you know I talk everything.
No, let me tell you, Mac. You see them girl there? Me get the vibes from Kano. Them girl is when them see girl were hotter than them and look nicer than them and girl were better.
I want to say something about Miss Triple. Hold on. Let me say something real quick about Miss Triple. You see Miss Triple? Miss Triple come over here. She act like real meek and real like. Miss Triple is that girl in real life. When we went to Miss Triple's house, we had to like get a beat to go to Miss Triple's house. When Miss Triple's hopping out her car, Miss Triple with her little short self have to jump up.
Chat the woman.
Like Miss Triple is that girl in real life. Like
no,
you can't tell me. Remember my friend Triple that. Triple is that girl. Remember I know the first time I see them meet Triple, I saw them head in a triple body, just rub them head in a triple body. So Me did want them.
Shay, even Shay, look at even when them gonna talk about Shay, even when them gonna talk about mackerel this and mackerel that Shay. Oh, me gonna know triple business if them never blood clot. Come from my phone and come tell about triple business. Them mix up and that's how they can't prosper. I'm gonna tell you what they do, Shay. I'm show you what they do. When blood clot people tumble down upon them ball out figure and them play blood clot victim, but it not gonna work. Me and Shay as your side. Me and Shay as your side by side.
Come here, Mackerel. Mackerel and Roger, one time she called me. And me, Queenie, I got work, you know, but me did the home. And she called me one time for chat to Rochelle about the light bill. Remember the light bill something come out?
Yeah, remember that bill when they sent to liar, yeah.
Right, well I know. Me have to get her one reconnect me lock on my Wi-Fi and my data because she bossy as Roger. And when Queenie say, "Okay, later me I got work," she not hang up. She said, "Yeah."
So she okay. Believe Shay, Roger. Roger don't believe Shay.
And she said, we are not Mackerel. Here I know. Queenie, no Queenie, what you think? And Queenie thought, no, Queenie said, "Shit, came here, I got work." I said, "No, ma'am, ever go so Roger and lock up the Wi-Fi and the data." She both years, Roger, she don't chat people.
Between me and you, you know.
Roger, weird. You know, I'm not saying I like she a tell. I'll old man, I'm asleep. Care call me. You know, Roger, me a girl wake up 11, 12 o'clock. You know, me there with the little man, Roger. You know who we are, right, Roger?
Yeah.
Yeah, he man used to create problem. He man tell me come up for life, I care them that I call me.
My feet, Roger, see from me get the reconnect. She no call back and me glad.
Come here, do Shay. You know, say bad to bad. Our chip I go leak about 10, you know, cause that girl, you know, she sell out her whole soul and body whole for 10, you know. Yeah, man.
She used to give the man a girl for fuck.
Yeah, then that me I tell her she sell out her whole soul and body whole for him. So you see, Shay, when me did I get the link for the whole of we got England, you know, can you call me and say, "Roger, my brother,
I the
link. I make 10 get the boss." Because I see the Shana not enough to make him get a visa for boss. Shana just do one blood clot,
Roger say, "Why never do the boss for you, y'all do the boss for man."
All right. Me want no say no lie, me I tell. But me never want ball out that. Actually, I start remember but now say she used to call me too. Me just remember. She used to call me too.
Me dear. You're the so pure that you are.
Mighty God. Me never ask her if she don't want the bus for herself. She a look bus, man.
Me and I never really talk.
So mixed up, duh. And you are so mixed up cause you're here.
Right. Me and I never talk like that.
Guys, don't
yes, it's 853 mix up people under my chat right now. Cause them there. How much you have, Shay?
578 mix up.
Right now, I'll go let her mix up. Cause only like want to listen. She don't want to say that much she'll listen.
Yeah, 478 shame. I like with them.
Jayden, I want.
Shay, God kill with Psalms 91 and lie Roger and me I tell her Shay.
No, me no need for lie. Me not tell lie on people.
Roger said why she never look the boss.
Mackerel, me not tell no lie. So when I see you and I go down the drain, I'm tell her the truth. I'm see everything I go on. I'm here.
Some people, well, when they come to Mackerel and Shay, me can see which part them are come from, or them not like K and some cause, you know what I mean? Them and K have few that go on, but me don't know about Roger's situation with K. You see me, I say, Onela now, me don't think Onela and K have nothing still in about you. Roger did this one, he plays festive maybe, and that's why she dep on the live, and she better know say, from she dep on the live, she with them, so anything she can get this anytime too. See, my people, make her watch some more.
All close government like you, Jayden. Jayden, you want to eat onela pussy, no?
I never said
you
out
want
loud.
to eat onela pussy, but you're not have to car.
Me and Queenie say Anna like Mackerel tell because she love chat people for true. But me not go come on the live and say boy, me not go come on the live and back you. Right, me and have nothing. So me never need to come on TikTok and ball out and say chat anything on here Mackerel say are true. She bossy, she love chat people for true. But me and Queenie know say I so she
my business. That's what I'm saying. Yeah, when she say, oh, you take your pitney for your blind mother, go give to your blind father. Me tell her that. What else can she say about that? I'm a thing about the kid what your father do to you. And she did have to come talk because she look sympathy. I mean, know what kid do, you know. People might not understand what kid do, you know, she. But I know exactly what she does. She play a victim because she want people sympathize for now. Me, I know, okay, let me tell you, enough time she chat to people. I mean, I really. But I can't reconnect to enough time. I love that when TikTok liar say, I keep on the car, because me have liar number, K don't have it. Enough time she say, put K on the blood clot line, because we can't take a mix up Shay. But sometimes K busy, because I didn't like K. But K busy, K can't answer right now. Enough time I had them, mute them. God see I know, chatting people not pay me Shay. Me mute them.
Love chat people. She love chat people per phone for true, she bossy.
Fuck me that night, cause me not chat bitch, I not get none in this, my God. Because HIJK to blood clot is a LMLOP. Oh.
You see, if me chat, them could have come talk. But me always have them for me. I always wash up my dirty plate them in my house. That's the point.
Can't a girl where you can't tell your business, cause them the girl they bossy and love chat.
I mean, I know business. If them did have a business, that contact long time. Because I never know what.
If good, you should love chat, you collect everything and you not tell her your business.
Because that's the same thing she going to do to me.
Right.
If she and job, only thing she can come to me chat my father with her. And yes, my chat my father, that's why she can't even take my blind, I pick it from my blind mother and give to my blind father. Because I tell her that. Me tell her, what else she can say? Can't know nothing about me. I can't know about my man, me I take 50 million man. When K move go down a chula and Shay, right? But say to K, say K, don't go. Because me I say, you don't have nobody down. I'm a son, I'm a speak. Listen Raja and listen Shay. Listen, you see the boy I married K in a January and K got England in about February and she meet the man Shay. You see a man Shay talk about last night on a Trelawney.
Trelawney, the man in a
Trelawney say, don't go because you don't have nobody that the side of the world. Don't go. You're wrong right because I say
True. Yeah, alone out there.
Defend you. So she turned to me and said, Mackerel, me go because Jamila have two people man and a man. And then I like them if come over me and come spend time with me. So make me go. It is so like me jealous over, right, Raja? But really I told you about her safety because she not have nobody down the other side there. Bro,
Guys, double tap.
so when she go talk about all, me tell the girl don't go. But alright. She has such girl enough.
Come here, Mackerel. Come here. It's some Roger the over here as witness. Some are the people that are coming at my inbox and tell me about one man she did there with a Trelawney.
Yeah, hide my ID.
And the person say, hide my ID.
And the Trelawney and don't want to shot.
Yes. Down a Bottom Road. One a
Bottom Road.
Come about a two man them tembo. One a Trelawney. And the one down a Bobby where she can't post.
No, I mean, boss up the
you
one.
You can't show the man there because the man there have 3 different baby mother. 3 different pinnacle.
Him are the bad one.
Boss up the one at Trelawney.
Him are the bad one.
Yeah, him are the bad boy. Don't have Bobby.
No. We're not getting right. Too right.
No, I want the person. Listen, I want the person.
The Trelawney one a bad boy to Mackerel.
Yeah, but the one I'm up here,
she like bad man.
She can't post him.
She like bad man.
But
bad.
Oh, sorry,
Raja,
thank you,
Raja, Raja.
Katrina, remember, me no know Jamaica like that. Me no know Mobile. Yeah. Me no know down there. So if me say Bottom Road, and you know understand what I mean. Yeah.
Shay, listen to Mackerel. Hot sauce.
Where's the Mackerel?
Let me tell you what, when you think K8 because of the Raja and Kavi situation, K8 because she show me a man for one view. I'm never sure about the boy me fuck.
When you beg some.
Yes.
Enough time with the pan live and she like, oh, you know, show me such, man. I say, yeah, girl, I'm so show you. All I know, me, yeah, totally care.
She blind, but she don't fool.
Yeah,
she blind, but she don't fool. I'm blood. She blind, but she don't
show me the boy, Raja. You gotta show the boy, I kick up on them. Cut that up. One black boy.
And she married?
That's why the man left her, you know. And that's why the man left her. The man knows a little bitch, you know. Cause she said like bitch.
Like 10 of the words. And she married Mackerel.
She moved the man.
But Mama, she said, you know, say she's a little bitch because she said 10 only like bitch.
Nah, Mackerel, when the woman married, you talk?
Yeah.
Liar, tell me.
Before the Raja argument, yeah. And she even says, oh, you know, show me such. Alright, you see how many got there in August, here and Raja. She takes my phone, why? We got such man. I say, yes, such man. But she hate me. You know what? When the distance become between Raja mash it up, and Raja and Kavi argue mash it up. You know when the distance, Kake used to come every day, she. Every day. Every day. But you know when Raja and Kavi mash it up. But when she show me her man for one view, I'm going to do it.
Kitty,
I'm prepared for them, Raja. My mama know them still.
That fuck gonna behave like say a 10 alone are the problem. Una fuck it chululu, man.
And then here one now. From here go fuck. Forget back at a man. You's no lady. You's a bitch. Yeah, man. You have to do like Chanel. When the boy come here, just elevate. You know, fuck. Forget back at him. Yeah, man. Hey, girl, you know, this is Chanel more.
Raja.
As a girl, as your boy, fuck by
Man, I let them so good girl from my life now. But dig out to the mama. You come here, you make man look bad.
Say you better go their lives, because I'm not
But stop out your mama, come out from my life. Go dig out to the mama. You make man look like.
Alright, my people, tell me what you think. Cause remember we have K fear from two of my people. Seeing and in a reach part when Raja never say K father Ray, she is in me, so this hot, my people, hot like it just come off of a stove. So we go watch some more.
Man a blood clot dog.
No,
all private prostitutes.
Wait,
When
talk,
a
man.
blood clot go and come off from life.
Raja, she have to do what she have to do. Because when she come from England, the boy bust up her blood, 10 bust up her blood clot, you know. Red. Surely.
Say that again.
Me? Your mother wanna be me?
So where you say Mackerel?
She watch you all day, what a black. What a black. I should not give over here. Move. Suck your mother. Wrong turn, Mac.
Yeah, little dirty birds getting on my nerves.
Yes, Mac.
Go away.
Only like, ask for driving my blood clot, hear me.
Yeah, me I hear you.
Hear you.
Me say, she be getting that for fucking man. Cause when she come back from England, the boy go over over Phoenix. You see, you find your favorite.
Daily. She like that, it turn her on.
What a red black.
Promise say I know say she like when man beat her, you know, she look like one of them girls
Mother
that
red black. Pure blackage. Give the word them pure black.
yeah, man, she give me that vibes like one of the girls when I take the lick them and say the boy beat because he love me. Yeah, man, she give me that vibe, man.
Kind of owe them over here, you know.
She give me that vibe,
Let me
man,
get
and
rid
I
of
like
them.
them.
What
Give
they
me a
should
minute.
tell
Give me
Roger
that vibes. They like it. I said the boy
Hold on.
beat me cause him love me.
Andrea over
Give me that
here.
vibes there. Not like.
I pray.
Cause the oar them is here. The little fucky box them is here.
Go tell Kate if you suck her mother, not she. Go tell Kate.
The little
He like
fucky box them there, you know.
He like shit,
Yeah.
so none of me can tell shit. Only another batch and not tell
Wherever
shit.
united.
Them
We
there,
don't want
them
to kill you. Want to say a liar or not, you know. That's
The
what
whole
we even
all
say.
that them reach, we come back upon man, and 10 on our fuckies. Can I have husband and married blood clot husband and still a show mackerel one view, no man. Now war. Now war.
What's just wrote them?
Them group up on WhatsApp and we group up brawling.
Right.
Them group up and we group up brawling.
Right.
Brawling will group up.
A group for group up. Talk
Braja is a
mackerel.
real
All
girl,
war.
black. Yeah, Braja is a real girl, a my girl.
Yeah, man, me lock my tail, my
Right.
front tail.
Alright, that boy,
Mount it.
fat
Mackerel, just
pussy.
have your moderator them for black the oar them, no talk.
Alright, like
Come
mix
on,
up in a
shall we not
in
come
murder
here?
set adapt me I work
Talk
with.
out of your good mouth and your twist eye. Talk.
Yeah, I'm a neat body when I do. Yeah,
Right.
Yeah, you look a neat body. We're petite.
yeah.
Blood clot.
Can't nobody do I still yet, so no. Look at Shamika, madam. Shamika black out them blood clot. My friend for 24 years. My friend for 24 years.
Them gyal let it force ripe, you know. From them gyal that come over TikTok, them gyal let it a look at spot.
No, me tell you why you can't left me to Shay. Me like Queenie, me like Shay. And you can't pay me no amount of money for cause Shay, Roger, and only like I say, only like she not even mix up. Nothing want to put she in it. Roger, I'm a baby father about 3 years.
Oh, better know that blood clot.
Mackerel, come here.
3 years now.
Mackerel,
I'm
them
like
can't leave
Shay.
me. Mackerel, come here, them
Listen,
can't leave you to me
listen.
because
Thank
guess
you,
what?
Lisa.
Me is not the problem. Roger knows Queen is the problem. If someone Queen don't like you, you cannot stay. And I me are the problem. A Queen here for worry about, not me. So if
Yeah,
Queen is a mackerel, Queen is a mackerel. I saw it now.
And the
Anything when you man
can't blood clot
work
girl
with.
it. Uno for
Because
about
listen.
the now word boy. Uno now word boy the
Mackerel.
girl will manipulate uno. Care the girl will say, oh, when 10 pound there the old she can't make no money. And then the
Mackerel.
girl will manipulate uno, moving the dirty blood, uno like real
Mackerel, come
people.
here. Chad, come here. Let me tell you something. Me might like you know. But Queenie don't like you. And me alone with that stomach somehow no. See from Queenie say, if Queenie say, me like me say that she blood clad say. Queenie more observant to the blood clad energy. And so she scare me just step on yeah.
Shay, you know so last time, Shay cost me for K. Shay cost me for K last night, you know. And look how the girl turn on. She unfollow the girl for true. But me show you how me know say K give it to
Ungrateful
Roger.
girl, man. Queen Raya, yeah, share my life though, cause you can't share for them block you.
You see when Roger and Shay and somebody else up on the screen and not Roger, Jabas and Shay and K up on the screen and Jabas start ask K about the unfollow. You see the little guiltiness you see in her. They might hip and then they say Shay a hypocrite.
Them mute him over here so shame can't talk. Them mute him blood clot over here.
Wait, from Roger from Slime left him. He's been a walking.
And one thing from slime left him just miserable. From slime left him miserable.
Mama tell her why rather that eat Shay now. Cause she like by the kill the argument then. That's what she did to me. She like by your kill the argument. That's how she
No,
is.
but hold on. You know what I don't like when y'all do? I don't like when y'all talk about people that are not our peers. Why you even talking about her?
Ooh.
Rather that.
Yeah, like why you even going there? I don't like it when y'all like people that are
Rather
not our
that
peers. Like, why y'all
Shay
She not need for the right there, so we are talking about girl Onela.
Yeah, you're not understanding Onela, you're not
Onela, wait. Onela, wait. No girl no need for present here, so because when I say we not use no girl strength, I wanna need no girl strength.
No, she
Girl
said
need
when she
our
said
strength.
that, when she said talk about people that's not our peers, she mean like we're not doing the same thing, we're not in the same league. You get me? Yeah.
Oh yeah,
So she mean like mentioning that person is irrelevant.
No, Roger, I think she say Why we are talking about Radadi and she's not here?
Oh, not up here, meaning she's not relevant.
Levels. Oh, yeah.
Basically.
I'm going to tell me more specific, man.
No, I don't choose to talk.
The accent, Onela say, that's why I never understand the accent of the Remember say Onela cuss uptown.
Yeah,
dress uptown, do everything uptown. So Onela from Mackerel,
never mute them. Come on.
Right now, I'm a little dukes doing now. My baby doing now. I'm a little dukes.
She too mixed up and she fake, Roger. She fake as fuck. She mixed up and she fake.
Me I talk to her because I'm a duke.
Because problem between young people and see.
This she love you more, mama.
Me never there for talky girl business. Me gonna show you something. When a girl and a Mackerel Wednesday open, Mackerel, you never have to talky girl business. BS, nurse, whatever you want. Let me tell you something. When a girl come talk about my child, I go L, I go cremation, I go casket, I go funeral over my child. Me eat till I poison.
But Roger, if push
business.
come to shove, Shay's gonna have your back. I don't know about her.
Fuck your business. Fuck your blood clot business. Me should talk the girl business. But the girl fi come talk to my blood clot pitney special need. Careful go suck out her mother. Careful go suck out the boy we don't want her. Careful go suck the 6 marriage them where she blood clot do. And none of them no last. Only worry about girl business. But you know about what girl do. K-life unhappy, K-sad. I can bring down any sad bitch girl on my 8K. I'm going to mind tomorrow K blood clot going on one accident and crash and paralyzed. And that must say. Yeah? I'm not going to do that. My pitney is my pride and joy, not KO now. When Kennedy come here, come talk about, oh, don't talk about nobody come here, pitney special needs. Fuck KO now. Fuck she. Paralyzed one on a bitch paralyzed like no. I saw my blood clot for you know. Me not care what I reach you know. Me thank God the blood clot my left KO and get a breakthrough in a life. What uno I got do about it? What uno I got do about it? None of them can beat me, none of them can drop me, none of them can box me. That's the thing. None of them can call me up. None of show me which one of them can call me up, no girl. Call me up, call me up. You know, get them.
People want to tell me one thing as we say me I make them talk. You see it, but you more have to say, seeing you a gibbon that I came, alright, say the man a gibbon. K a give back bun. Seeing you can't take a bun no more, you left the man. So why you crash out through the man find the next woman you know? You can't choose the woman for your man. You can't do that. You see me? So this unnecessary way I go on with the people. Big woman thing. You see me? So make me know what you think.
What's up my mother when I want me? Call me up, don't wish bad. Don't wish bad on anyone. But when girl talk about me, when I'm supposed to sit down and take it, I wish bad on any girl will talk about my blood clot pit will come from underneath my pussy. Any girl will suck out your mother. You more we dead, you more we blood clot, me can name my blood clot after break go suck her. Me sir, yes, me no track record for the girl. Use me no track record, me no can't start coming to make no it song for no blood clot body. None of them can call me up. Only can type. Look at this. Call me up no. Do this. What's your name? None of them can do this. Do this. None of them can do this. That's the point. Yes, until when I'm punching on my face. Which one only can punch my face? Which one only can call me up? Which one only can blood clot punch me? Now, it will go name out K on a mama. And can a father will fuck her. Can a father fuck her? That's uno call me up now. Until wake last time I hear her over there. And knock your girl. And you fat, you take your fat, you take your blood clot pitney. For your blind mama get your can your father fuck you. I don't want to argue the girl on the internet. I don't want to strength to the girl for the girl on the internet. And your father beat their blood clot push a 4 finger and you're stinking girl. I don't want option for every girl. I want to live for Rochelle. And Jamila want to eat Jenna. I want to tell me something, take my baby from my blind mother and give to my blind father. And your father busy, fuck you. Girl, me no want to back it in. I sing my own a soprano, alto melody. Me do that. Me am my own a cheerleader. Yeah, Mackerel. Yeah, me am my own a cheerleader. Me no want none upon that shit for me. No come stop because I can't afford a fuck her. And she have every strength for it. What do you mean she hear Roger gas? Me hear she give Roger one suck your mother. And Roger never defend it when in there England. Can I move your dirty your father feed up and fuck you know blood clot. What about your trauma now? We're going to girl on the internet. No. Now rest you. Yeah. Your blood clot. Now rest you. I know I come on the internet compare. Allah company internet complete sympathy. Allah company internet complete simple blood clot. See.
I'm going to feel my jayden and black me. You do Ella. Jayden and black Ella. Thank you, fuck your mother.
That's nothing to joke about. Foreign when she tell me so cool. That's something to joke about. When she tell me say me so cool, that's something to joke about. When Janko come and accuse people have dirty deeds, people going to tell them anything. Sunshine, move your dirty blood clot and go suck your mama allow Mackerel. Go suck your mother Sunshine. You want to come to the church.
Make it suck your baby.
Girl, I can't argue me. Come father for you hospital and me put him up there. Me put him up at you hospital and pay for every medical resources. Me did that. When my father up a blood clot you for 1 month, my father never fuck me yet. My father never fuck me yet. My father never feel me up yet. So when she come talk about me twist up your eye, I mean, when she come talk last night about oh my twist up your eye and knock your eye, girl, I'm ugly and blah 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 blah. Never she tell me say my blood clot. Never remember all of them. Something say nothing wrong with this. My tell her say her father fuck her now. Her father fuck her. Her father fuck her. Don't trouble the girl on the internet because you go through your own trauma on the internet. Your father fucked you. When you go tell me about oh, I take my baby from a blind year mother and give to my blind year father, your father fucked you. No, you can't beat me. No. I'm a done blood clot, sir. I take my baby from a blind year mother and give to my blind year father. And my blind year father never fucks me. Him should have been the one feel me up. And I search, and him never fuck me. The blood clot in me, man. My father never fuck me. Can't if you go fix that life before she about every girl on the internet. Daddy, why you do that? Jesus Christ. Me a black you, you know, me a black you, Yeah, it's time when they put Rvsh, they put Shay, they put Mackerel, they put Ivany, and they put every girl on it. I in everybody business. Remember you have your own trauma I got through. And the time when you worry about oh me take my baby from my blind mother and get to my blind father. Whenever you go question your father, well, fuck you. Your father get pleasure out of your stinking girl. Hey, child, my 8K now. My 8K now. And when she come talk about, and when Jamila sit up on WhatsApp call about me, hey, Jenna, and the ear me forgot that Roger. On the ear me come loyal to Roger, and that's time they eat me. And me go bomba clad. Tell them for Roger, and that's time they eat me. Go and remember your father will fuck you. I'm a done tag. But it might sound away, it might sound, but it's the raw truth. Uno father fuck uno, and she run off a Belgium, and my hear him knock up. And according to Uno Roger Batman, what your trauma after than everybody else.
Alright, my people, tell me what you think in the comment section, or watch a bit more and then move on to the next.
Yes. Your trauma after than everybody else. Your trauma after than every blood clot body else, y'all. Yes,
Yeah, Roger. Yeah, Mackerel, take your turn. Deal with it. Under that cute. Girl, I forgot them house and ball tonight. Cute.
Kena.
Me like this, me a cheer for this. Right, so me a cheer for that. Class in session chat. Sit down, relax and watch one. Me take my turn. Roger take him turn. Mac bust it. I'ma love it. Kena go and go cry. No cry to me. Me legally married, so you are my husband. Me tired to cry. Me have to ask God why.
Stop it, Pangyal. Stop it, Pan blood gal. Stop it, girl. Kind of father. Fuck, who knows?
That is another thing. I don't know what that means.
Everybody wants to own a yacht.
Dirty
Get
Jamaicans
on
that
the respect and just on the
I don't
internet.
know what it means.
Get on trouble. Everybody on the app. Get on trouble. And your father fuck you. Trouble every girl.
And your father fuck you.
And your father fuck you.
Well, you shouldn't tell me that.
Go down Emmanuel Road.
Well, you shouldn't tell me it's your father fuck her.
Imagine, eh? And you want, remember you said my twist up my fan never fuck me yet. Calling me and me infant. It never fuck me yet.
Your father wicked, him should have daddy don't touch her there. When you see her call her daddy don't touch her there.
One Tasha, so cold to
when she argue with you, lady said daddy don't touch me there. When she come and anytime she come and argue with you, lady said daddy don't touch me there. I'm gonna
be sorry for you, you're crazy.
When get that trouble, every girl on the internet, none of you never yet say stop. The whole on the boots are up. When she talk about me, yeah, twist up. When she come talk about my have one blood class, special needs, pitney, none of you never tell her to stop. Girl, go work with your father, fuck you for your 14. Go work, Roger, come here. You know, say Kena sister and her husband hate her? Why them hate her? You know, say Kena mother-in-law hate her? Why them hate her? Nowhere Kena go, nobody likes her. Nobody like Kena. All the people on the internet like her. 1K. Kena mother-in-law hate her. Kena sister hate her. Kena sister husband hate her. The bomber clock Kena not attack girl. Kena not good heart.
Mackerel. 10 auntie over here. She said to clear up that. No mother-in-law. No say that about the people them.
No,
they say the family.
Remember, she said
don't come to the mother-in-law. This is the clear up the people.
Nobody shot but take down your mama.
Mother, she said she's married.
No good enough, I'm right. I mean, so you come here from beach, you ever come over here so come tap my screen so good. You come here so come make no demand. Fuck you back. I'm tell you the nasty thing.
Remember regular she class the woman. The woman a Christian, she class the woman.
When they are cost the girl and don't come talk about twist up here me. Big pussy girl. Remember me tell us come and make a class with each other so we can make $500 they say could have gone in the ranking. Ungrateful bitch. Remember, and me tell you that.
Yes.
And then they come talk about Mackerel, me can get some promotion. Me can blood clot.
Every girl marry them man, bring them a foreign. That girl come back to Jamaica to live with man.
That's all the plan to come take money.
You know she says that back way girl this. Every blood clot girl marry them man, bring him a foreign,
so
take him out of his struggles. She move back to Jamaica to live with man. You know she says that girl have blood clot wrong turn.
Shay, then the tell us she have one.
This flavor no lie me I tell. She a wrong turn. Every girl marry them man, bring them man go far, go give him better opportunity. So tend it off a blood clot left her. Come back where the girl a go on the man. She come back to Jamaica. That means she no want the man get a bus in her life. She no want the man going to the land of opportunity. She blood clot come back to Jamaica for stuck. They watch blood clot. Everybody back where the girl there go. I want kick down her blood clot after
Raja.
When I don't expect no better from me, baby. You
look like the girl that are welfare.
I'm a low down dirty rat. I'm a low down dirty bird. You don't expect no better from me.
Yeah.
When me tell the girl to make 5 bills at night time, Roger, you don't know Lorrington.
Lorrington, yeah.
Okay.
Come here. We are.
That is Shay family.
It's my daughter, uncle, that's enough.
All right. I never sure you know. Lorrington used to silent me and that time so the girl could make a bumbo class, blood class 5 bills. So all me a friend.
Come here, tell me more. Come here, hold on there. So Kayona, My daughter uncle used to feed ya.
Yeah, look old man. Yeah, the man there. We have the grey beard. He used to shoot me down. So the kid go up in the ranking. Come and say to her, the kid maybe play 5 or 6 game.
Uncle ask Roger, Mackenzie is my daughter uncle.
I don't know, I tell you. But my blood clot uplift the big bitch. My uplift the big bitch for the girl come talk when my bumble clot pitney dog.
Whoa, give me a minute.
Roger. Roger, remember behind it. Roger, scrap the internet. In a real life, Roger, remember got bumble clot, Pegasus, I mean, have coffee. Ask him, me ever have a bad vibes.
Never.
Ask him.
Never. I live far up on the wall on.
Ask him if you ever fall out. Get ever suck him out of my ear, take ya.
Forever girl, go uplift your pussy tongue. Forever girl, she for uplift her eye, uplift your pussy tongue, cause big and coming like doggies. I want to peer it off with her scissors.
Yeah. Ask Roger. Me and Roger did it for 1 week.
But never post them from my baby mother part. Because it's when me did there England and K there Jamaica talk, oh me so good. I me no answer, me no hear none of them say nothing. No. I'm a wait patiently, you know. You're so patiently me wait. Because I know when me a come beat her, you know. The wicked never gonna say, oh me a beat her, you know. Because me like show them say them a wicked, you know. Me no trouble the girl, me never yet trouble this girl yet, you know. When Caviar cuss me, you know, she sit down in the box with Caviar, you know.
Class girl. Come here.
Mackerel, I hope you have action behind the bad to chatting. One bomber clad Spain. I'm telling you this, when I can come anytime when I'm ready. Remember, a girl might look certain way, but to know, you know where a girl a be and I go suck out her mother. Artless. I've been way black them for. I'm going to talk to Artless. Artless know nothing about me. When you say chew my blood, I'm going to shout, I'm going to scream.
I live in London, bed. I live in London. A Belgium, I live. I live in London.
That's true.
No boy in a Belgium, I know nothing about me.
Me alright, nurse. Me alright.
I want boy fuck me in a Belgium, I'm a baby father, sure father.
You know, scream yet, but call them people when the girl disrespect, I should never know, say, me have her clip on a long thread and drive so like a kite me a fly.
One time I got
and so me have her clip and drive like a kite me a fly. And they gonna cuss them back, you know. They gonna come tell them some nasty things, cause them think them out nice, you know. What am I going to tell me over here? He's a bad man. That you're not going to tell me. Come, tell me something different. That's scratch to blood clot. The amount of time when you come say this and say that, and it now get to nowhere. But it's when a big pussy.
The people tell me what they think as here Mackerel full of chat, Mackerel whether physical or verbal. Mackerel now back my people. So tell me what they think, make you watch a bit more and then move on to the next.
I like that rap without me now. Me I go cremate her. Me I take the skull out her belly. Where blood clot her pooper fuck out.
Don't do that.
Yeah, I want to daddy don't touch me there. I'm going to tell you, I swear. Can't you see I'm scared? He's supposed to be my father.
I did this again, Roger.
Them have them dirty things and
Roger, I can hear you. I can hear you.
Yeah, cuss her, man. Cuss no bring nothing good.
Roger, Shay call you.
Why they Kennedy have one friend, right?
Mackerel Shay call you.
You know, disrespectful.
Shay call you.
Ooh.
Shay call you.
You know, put it up on the internet tonight. She can't call me. She have secret for me.
Hide my ID, Mackerel. Listen, hide my ID.
She can't call me. Honela. I don't think she would have dared to want to call me.
Mackerel, shut up and hide your ID.
Shay call you.
Read my Shay, read. Hide my ID.
Hide my ID, Shay. Keona can't class nobody. Ask Keona about the man she come fuck in New York. He's my friend. If you want more info, let me know.
Shay, why not? Shay, you can't take time.
Wait now, Mackerel, wait now. If you want more info, I can tell you more. Even the man name I can give you.
Can't you see I'm scared? You're supposed to be my father. Pat, big up your nice clean self.
Me not hide no more ID Funo. Me not hide no more ID. Me not hide no more. Me not look like pink one. Me not pink one, you know.
Mrs. Borland, you don't like Shay? You don't like Shay, Mrs. Borland?
Nobody like me. Me no want nobody like me. Remember, me not beg no fuck and suck off on no pussy.
Roger, you know, here, so them take away our house, hide my ID. Take away over house. Shay, somebody say, Roger, hide my ID. Roger, you know, here, so them take away our house. Take away over house.
Over house.
Over house, them take away.
That's group up. What your fellow fucky.
Mighty God, K pussy run down like the Jamaica dish to blood clot. And I come go like say she has somebody. And then the worst thing about it make me hate the girl, you know. A limited amount of sex she born within her big thinking hole, you know. The girl never inherit a good pussy, you know. Cause it would drop off her head and drop and show left her poopa fuck her. Him corrupt the genes. Him corrupt the gene pool. So she could have born with a good hole. She could have inherit a good pussy. It never drop off her head and drop her shoulder. A limited amount of sex born in the girl big hole. And the girl does a walk, does a let out her longitude and latitude, so does a run up her mileage, line and balance she all that you can think of. She broke it. I done the fuck done out her hole now, make 10 running up. Look like when 10 get her, she about 30 fuck left in her. And she use it up. She capitalized on all the sex left in her belly. So right now, 10 are dropping her ball field. The man left him boobs and he left him socks and him shed yard. Yeah, tired of here run up and dump on ball field and not play that. And on a Sunday evening.
Roger! Yeah, the boy left for 9 months. Wow, when the boy, can remember every artist do a collaboration with a female. Kartel do collaboration with blood clot, them the type of girl. And you know everybody do collaboration with girl. Are you? Why when the boy blood clot, let's you, and then do a collaboration, and then the time they feel like they want to crash out. Thinking old girl, no girl will crash out on a man we don't want them can't agree. No girl on the internet. Right. No time.
One second,
right. Remember the boy, the bim left the wall.
ID, she over there and mad out. See that Roger hide my ID, she over there mad out. She done mad already cause her pussy mad, you know. So from your pussy mad mentally, you can't write, you know. Yeah, man, her pussy mad, man, you see her pussy blood clot busy. It's a mad pussy. After her pussy kick you like the junkie there.
Run the vice note, girl, run it.
Yeah, me I gonna cuss her back and she cuss
run the vice note, girl, run it.
And her poopa did a play blood clot, man, up in her hole.
When Kayona rub girl, she over there, she rub girl, and she go on, move your blood clot all come here and fuck you back. All fuck you ratatouille, all fuck you chululu, come here, all fuck Carella, come here, play where you play Mackerel.
Where, who's that on the move back?
What your name?
Run it.
Carnel.
Yeah, I like your tough face. And your mouth look like a lean mouth donkey. Me not like your tough face cause you think you're cute. You's an ugly girl, you know. You's an ugly girl.
You see this gut? You need a lipo. I need a waist trainer. You have bigger problems in our life. You need no, you don't even need a waist trainer. You need a
show me.
That's a whale.
So I'm telling you to stop read people comments because you know what them they are put up a come show up on screen and comments a class girl. Only stop read comments. Because you ever see girl them wear class the girl them stop read the girl them worse.
A tummy tuck, yeah. You need a tummy tuck. You need a tummy tuck.
Because I can't them the girl in the comments of class people so
and then is she really did that chair for care, you know, the amount of surgery care do you can't ask care for the remedy. And she still favor building blocks.
No, man.
Wait, me soon run it back.
The girl still favor building block. Me not like how K look
Get
lean.
the big box pan sound. Run the sound.
K body look lean. She favor building block.
Alright.
Like you did have fit them together.
November the 28th. No, you're right. But me gone. Remember say upon a Wednesday. Me need to stay till Wednesday.
But I have nothing to say.
Kitty, how make you hold on well look good so I don't open nobody don't lose on the man so easy?
You don't know, say me nah no look, so me nah have nothing to say.
Kitty, I want to pass something they put in on nobody where make you push him in front like one mad nick and they turn it two sides different.
Me nah know.
Cause Kitty, look how you look good. Look how you look good and nice, babes. Pussy fat, breast stiff, body cock up, cute, shape good, and just so. And look at KK, sexy, shape good, pussy fat, nice lips. What happened?
Me nah know.
The next one again to shape good, body fat, have our money, look good, nothing. Everybody and them man good until they do them body. As them do them body is a problem.
No. You know, make nobody come tell me say me not a baby father. I know I need to run with gun with the blood clot car.
And that they tell you so.
Shay, you not come tell me say the man run with gun left behind the blood clot.
Screenshot there so.
I will screenshot this
Show
time.
now again.
And go with the car. But I look for a job. I'm alright.
I don't say you could move.
Finish bronze.
Oh no, it said that's in
It's alright,
next
that's all.
summer started 28.
Yeah.
So good for you can go anything for the live and out to the start.
My girl named Natasha sitting on there and in my chat. You come over here, my girl. I'm gonna know if you have sense or what. Me hear Onela say something. I'm gonna understand if you get it or it beat in your head. Nobody pa ya.
Can't deal with that.
No owe loyalty to nobody. What's wrong with you? We ever meet and greet yet?
So
We
how
have come from
here?
primary school.
Wait now. How other than that here where we
You
are
come and
say?
talk about Shay and loyalty to
You come and hear what we are
nobody.
say.
What's wrong with you?
Shay.
You come and say Shay wrong. You come and say this and me I ignore you and you come back again. Relax now, young lady.
Listen to me now, sister. A while ago we did on the live and Onela wasn't here. Onela did the live. And Onela hear everything what we did over here say. Onela gone. Kitty now, come and now hear everything what we did that say a while ago. It's like say TikTok and everybody here with business.
Chat. Live go.
Me now say over again like a TikTok and fuck up with things them and leak in for them.
Chat live go.
Yes, Natasha, me no want she like me a blood clot come here and never cross the road.
But
Me no
fuck
want she
them
like
and
me.
love Kitty alone, girl.
Jesus, chat live goal.
Me no want she like me cause we never meet.
My people tell me what they think because they do it, but the girl then can't keep a man. Come like say them curse people. Let me know what they think because what's up boy.
Me not see me can't stay so we don't know.
No, see, I know your life is a going in now.
James, go act professional. Me a try be professional.
Alright, come we act professional, darling. One roast chat.
Me can't stay, Chad.
Send me
Me not gonna
something.
stay.
Send me something. TikTok is the best. Send me something, chat.
Jabas, no indecent language, young kitty.
Oh, that them say.
Yes, me
You
can't.
done with it. See, so you're done with the baga.
Yes.
You sure?
Yeah, me have to focus for true. Me going to LA.
No, are you me that tell about your mother, Natasha? I never know say you, mama. Hush. I could do you. I want somebody else me that talk. I never you, mama. I know you want to Natasha. Natasha, busy people, man. Nobody can tell about your mother, Natasha. I'm to you. You're free.
And the funniest thing, you know, when one girl attacked, she was on the screen. She's disrespectful. How she going to tell me I'm so cold? That is all that.
My moderator them, I can't stay.
Yeah.
Yes, glad, Roger.
That's why I call her HIJK. And she say MLOP.
That kid is a QRS.
TUV.
TUV.
Yeah.
Man,
That's why it's a WX.
K-body look like building blocks.
Please.
Oh, God Almighty, you can't give human a break no, man.
Who will give a break?
Hold on, I can't ease up our fire a little bit now, man. Oh, God.
Ease up off her oh.
No
She
clear my
just
road.
keep up her clit when they clit too big.
Let's
People
all
step
come
on
back.
it.
Let's all come back, Kitty.
You gone left
Yeah?
me, Shay.
Yeah, go.
Give me 1 minute, may I come back.
Shay, you leave me.
Let's all come back, Jabbers. 1 minute. Add me back, yeah?
Shay, why you running?
No, may I come back. For sure, may I come back.
We are going to restart? We not
Yeah, 1
restart.
minute. Yeah.
Like I tell you. We not restart.
Shay can't take it right now. Jabba's gone too. Man, think I Kitty, you want me and you chat or you not chat either?
No, sir, me I go out airport and know to promise.
Oh, you not have luck?
Me not have luck, you know them going to tell me one thing, the man run with the car.
I'm sure I'm no friend.
Let me tell you something. Nobody over here knows, let me tell them that already. Nobody over here, all the way I set a big blood clot hypocrite. You don't know too.
Yeah, where Jabbers there?
Me don't tell you already. Nobody over here my friend. All the way over here sit down and I hypocrite.
You have to your friend though.
No, my Roger friend.
Talk for your blood clot self, not talk for me and Shay.
No.
Honestly, talk for yourself, girl.
No, but honestly, still you know, you see no matter which Shay, then think. Cause me and Shay all.
Me and Kitty don't have nothing. It's just that every time you have on a screen and me and talk, they mix her and she don't say nothing.
But I'm not yet.
You know.
But me did, but come here, friend. One time to me did vex man, but one little thing me did text you, but me did just vex about that.
What else?
Me just vex about that. I see any blood clot boy fall out again. You can't bother. You fuck you.
That.
Me just vex about that too.
So why you vex with me for?
Why Jabbers don't want to come back?
But
So why you vex with me
honestly,
for? Cause remember Jabbas and them are friend, Jabbas are private hypocrite.
no, Sarah, me never vex it.
Jabbers, you have a class here and bring down your... You know me a class here and bring you down? You love Guan. Dirty hypocrite boy, you love Guan.
Jabbas, so when K come and say you did there, you're a listen, what you going to say? You have to have an explanation, you know.
Remember me say 1K across the board, man.
No, a different page, mama. A different page this. No, a different
Across
page.
the board, and I say that I'm talking to them today, but it become 1K, so.
You like building black?
Yeah, you have a vibe.
Oh, you like put things together?
Yeah, bro, because sometimes it's better that we fix it and set where you want it.
Oh, well, if it could have fixed 10 pints, would have fixed it already.
Oh, God, I'm kind of sorry for you, bro. I'm tell you the truth, dog. I'm kind of sorry for I'm glad the shade done right now with it. You see right, I'm kind of sorry for you, bro.
Well, you're sorry for yourself.
You think she go through it, bro? Like,
But she go through it mentally, physically, or emotionally?
Emotionally and mentally, bro.
Cause why? The man left her?
Yeah, bro, and then everybody know, bro, have something to say. Oh, God, Roger, man. Girl, look a blind man.
Oh, my. Poor thing.
I think she can get a little blind, you know, bro.
The only thing I really like about her mouth, how it look like she have strokes.
I thought we had my girl has a sister.
No, K, me a talk. K mouth lean, so you know.
Oh, I think that is something sister you talk.
K mouth lean, it's like a lean mouth donkey. So.
Good day, everybody. Wow.
SCC, me not tell a lie, you scared shit. Today you're there, and now you come back. You scared shit. Use the shit that come out case bottom.
Good day, chocolate beauty. Wow.
Nobody look like them and try and make case sad. Nobody we just have bust up with blood clot. We care who I care.
Oh, God, no.
But I will give a fuck about blood clot.
God, no, you.
Alright, my people, we'll go over K and Kavi now. And my people, we don't know one person where we not see I say nothing yet. Me don't know if I'm going to say nothing, but one person, my people. ice cold, yo. Remember I say a K and our man make man rush him, you know. Seen? So he must come and say karma reach them. But make what some more and keep a listening ear for him if him say nothing.
That's why what people not talking, you know? Cause them shame. Because people are trying to belittle them and put them down. That's why a lot of people don't talk. It's such a common thing, especially in our generation and our culture. It's such a common thing.
That couldn't go on my grave with me. Tell Shay
a common thing.
Because
it's such a common thing. But yet we talk and shame people or make them feel less than. They stop them when them a beat me, when them not have nothing to do with it. It's so sad. I let them stop the guys.
Look at me on TikTok. That's nothing to rejoice over. And I'm not ashamed of it. You know why? Because
if you rejoice over it, you're just a pussy hole. At the end of the day. At the end of the day, if you rejoice about stuff like that, you're just a pussy hole. And it is what it is.
When nobody wants to say, so them the voice note that they shouldn't go to her. Kavina part 2, I'm glad it got to her. You know why? Because now it opened my eyes and my sister say, what the hell did I really make you say to me? And I didn't cut your shit off.
And at the end of the day, hurt people. People come and go let them genuine and they don't mean you no good.
I'll be good.
Whether she or anybody, like literally them stuff that happen for true. Hurt people. When I see the people that we are come for Kiona, you will see say hurt people for true. And them try to find any little thing to tear them down.
Ask Mackerel
even though they have the same issue.
Mackerel have an infection. She was molested and I never talk about it. And my sister come bust it up today. Mackerel have an infection where she live with, where every time she get pregnant, it eat away and kill the pitney them in her belly. Mackerel, you talking about me getting molested by my dad. Your baby father is 4 times your age. 4 times your age. He's a big grown man. You had a baby at 13 with a big grown man. That is molestation. I'm wondering why he's not in prison. You had your baby at 13, so you breed at 12. And a big grown man breed you. Why is he not in prison?
I'm still on the phone and laugh about and go like a joke, guys.
Me. What you mean by Lego that? Don't mama tell you about your mother about Lego that. Lego what? Why she fi over there talk about who molest me? When I self get molested herself and she don't know her.
No, guys. That's why I'm telling you all the time, say we're a woman over here. We are telling woman. I don't know go like when a woman.
You can't pick something out of my eye when it's in a year one. Me never breed at 13. And a grown man breed me in a me age group. Maybe 4 years older than me, but it didn't near enough. It was a grown ass man. He was a grown ass man who got you pregnant. Bitch, that is molestation too.
Your own enemy for true caravan.
You want to comment section say? Mackerel need to relax because my mom took her off the streets in Spanish Town with the first child. Go ask the lady about that. That was molestation. I just threw Jamaica system mess up. Cause I'm sure that are prison. Cause the Shan say we for bust it, so we now want it done no more. Tell them why you put the infection where you have or eat out your pussy.
How much a triple no?
Triple now.
This blood clot, triple.
But you can't take Shay serious.
Yeah, you must say a bonus style now. Chat, come on, side man. Just work with me now. Just me work with me. Me now let it back behind. Me a keep you back the right side and me right on the screen.
Shay fever blood. No girl will make a blood clot patient in a Pampers. Fuck them. Can't in an argument with blood clot me. Shay, me not have nothing to argue with your boy. You can't go dig up file for me. You not have to dig up. Go ask 10 pounds. Cause my mama man me chat me with don't know. Go ask Shana. Cause me carry my name to Shana. We are wait for him to write a song for Shana enough to come this me, you know. Cause remember say my mama man and him love chat woman. Right? So that would I wait pan. If you no want, you not have no file. You not have no file. Traveling infection, blood clot, Mackerel.
Don't make me go dig up a report out of blood clot station. When the man come say you shot him and have to make a report about you. And the police them say they go do a blood clot test. And when them say they go do a test, you have the infection for you. That is uncurable. Let's talk about that. But me didn't say me never go hit below the belt car. If somebody gear and he never fear for somebody gear that. You see me? But fuck that. Shan busted set off a bus. No matter how you no war with me so much time I hold on in a secret, bro. Me not argue with Shay. Because you can't have the heart to make one all blood clot 80-year-old man when you want shit up pampas fuck you. Shay, you couldn't get my energy. Go do what you go dig up where me I dig up. Go dig up where I dig up. Remember say me first come talk about me fuck them. Remember me never sleep no for you. Me never beg you not no. Me never eat no for you. Me never do nothing for no. Only just eat me for what? You wall on the blood clot team up for what? The fuck? One girl on me this is all I know. Cause none can't do me not know. The fuck? I want me to come walk me, I not even know what to do for me.
It's crazy about to have a Sunday crazy.
That's when the song drop, you know have to run up it blood clot. Come here speak for you all away. Enough pussy we try help. Enough pussy we stick by. To take our blood clot in. And while you put time some boy now no money. Some boy can't buy gas and we are do it right show. Cause pussy we don't want people laugh off of you know. And you want to go like you want come style people. Or the blood clot there. Fuck who you fuck and none of we out and worry about who no fuck. Fuck who no fuck. But dog go like you want come style my pussy. Suck your mother.
You know it's your girl.
To them, me I tell you what the boy them love tell we say. On no man now can't accept your behavior. A man never tell you that yet say me. Nobody now go stay with you cause you don't have no manners. Nobody him ever tell you that say me. Me I call out the things them. Nobody now go take you serious. Cause all you do a cuss. Say me. You're too irritating when you're questioning about the fuck with them in do. Say me. Every day you're annoying. Cause when them do fuckery you call them out. Say me. When the boy them you know them do the things and them come and tell back one bag of lie like you're a mad man. Say blood clot me. Say see next year. You can't say me never prep no. Mama tell you no. You know say me are the biggest love in there over here so. Me are the biggest love in there. Nobody no love like her. So you see if me can blood clot move on. And yes when them tell us say no other man don't make a boy ever tell us that 10 used to tell me say any man where you find I go fuck her.
Well my people, you know me always the one we always say, you know what I mean, every man cheat. So a woman I go left a man with cheat and say she I go to a next man when I go cheat. No go so. You see me, every man cheat. But me always I say, while me I say that, say if a man disrespectful, if him a style you, when him a cheat, like him not hide it, him a go and bare face whatever, well that you can left for. You know what I mean? So make me know how to think my people.
Every man fuck. We don't care about blood clot fuck, we care about respect pussy. So if a boy want go fuck you, have go fuck her. Me don't care about fuck. We don't have the time for watching the boy and who him go fuck and when him go blood clot fuck. Pussy respect me, that's all my ask for or go suck your mother.
You know it's your girl.
Cause we not who call me. Yo. Me dey on live. Come in on my mood and you mash up my energy right now. Yeah, come in on live and do something. Yeah.
Alright, so you want me out?
Yes, when we move God the next house. When we move God the next house, house, the next house bigger. I say bumper clot, I want more furniture. I'm a blood clot nice chopper boy. And the boy say, okay, anything you say I like, you fuck me good. You hear me, I tell you. Sit there, you know the badness come, I tell you. December 27, we're gonna fuck up the dance done Arima. I wanna know how me. Remember, I move to Jamaica and not say me a watch man. I done my money, I buy my car. I sell there. Set myself before my blood clot go down there. Ask the landlord lady how much rent me give her. 4 months rent me pay. 4 to 5 months rent me pay. Before I reach a blood clot Jamaica. I was a top girl before blood clot this. The only somebody will try to turn me in a flop girl is 10 bob.